Subscribe to Smartphone Tutorials by clicking on the subscribe button, and do remember to click on the notification bell icon to get instant notifications.
Hello awesome people, welcome to Smartphone Tutorials and welcome to episode 5 of Daily Tech News, in which I bring you tech news which I find exciting and I think you should check out as well. I have a lot of interesting stuff for you guys today, so let's begin. So if you're a Samsung fan, listen to this. We have full-fledged complete press images of the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus from an exclusive preview which someone got their hands on, and we have very juicy details as well. We will first talk about the battery, because the battery on the S9 is going to be the same 3000 mAh and 3500 mAh on the Galaxy S9 Plus. At the same time, we are expecting that the battery life on both these phones will be better despite having the same capacities as last year, because the S9 and the S9 Plus will come with a Snapdragon 845 and Oreo out of the box. So the software and the hardware are much more frugal compared to last year when it comes to battery consumption. Apart from this, S9 and S9 Plus should come with a variable aperture camera, that is f1.5 to f2.4, and what the S9 Plus gets is a secondary camera which is f2.4 lens with optical image stabilization. So just like the Note 8 last year, this year the S9 Plus will have both the cameras which will be optically stabilized. Talking about the design front, the design has not changed much, and I don't think Samsung will change anything because it is already a good design. However, what they have done is they have shrunk the bezels from the top end side, is what the leakster claims. At the same time, the stereo speakers that were talked about in the past are tuned by AKG. So stereo speakers, variable aperture, better battery life. This looks like a solid device, and if you're a Samsung fan, the announcement should happen on the 25th of February and the launch date should be 8th of March. Hold your horses. Once again, we're going to talk about Google phones, that is the Pixel 2 XL. Now mind you, this issue is not relevant to the Pixel 2 but just the Pixel 2 XL. I guess just yesterday I told you that a new update has started causing overheat issues with the Pixel 2 and the Pixel 2 XLs. Well, this issue is exactly the opposite. What happens is, if the battery temperature of the Pixel 2 XL gets to below 20 degrees Celsius or 68 degrees Fahrenheit, the charging speed will slow down a lot. Actually, it says that it is charging rapidly, but then again the charging current drops and it takes a much longer time to charge. Now this may be a software issue or hardware issue, I really don't know, but Google is investigating the issue, and looks like the Google Pixel 2 devices are having a lot of issues this year. I really don't know why. They are wonderful devices, have the best camera on the market, but it's just been last 1 week and I've already got 2 reports of Google Pixel 2 series devices having issues. If you have any such problem, let me know, but in India there's a very less possibility that you will have any such issue, because there are very few places where you will have temperatures below 20 degrees. Next up, we have good news for you guys from the United States. If you're watching this right now, Samsung has launched an offer for the Galaxy S8, S8 Plus and the Note 8 series. The Icon X earbuds, which are normally available for $199, are being given away free until the 1st of March. So there is a list of carriers mentioned on their website. If you buy one of these 3 devices from their website, or if you buy an unlocked smartphone like the Note 8, S8 Plus and S8, you will get the fitness earbuds, wireless ones, worth $199 for free. Go check it out, and if you are still into buying those phones, you know, the S9 and S9 Plus is just a week away. So if you're still into getting the S8, S8 Plus and Note 8, go grab the deal, because these earbuds are really awesome. So smart speakers have been the thing lately, and a lot of companies are jumping into that particular ship. If you check, Amazon have their Echo speakers, Google Home, Apple HomePod, everybody's coming it. So Mark Zuckerberg thought, why not? We should do it as well. Codename Aloha and Fiona, Facebook is reportedly developing 2 smart speakers for the market, and it is rumored to come with a 15-inch touchscreen, and the panel will be supplied by LG. It will have social functions along with all the smart speaker functions that are available these days. So a smart speaker from Facebook sounds interesting. What kind of social integration it will have, how smart will it be, and what type of artificial intelligence will the Facebook speakers use? If launched, would you buy a smart speaker from Facebook? Yes or no? Let me know in the comment section. Next up, we have WhatsApp. WhatsApp has launched a new beta on the Google Play Store, which allows you to download a copy of your data. What this means is, basically the European Commission has, enforced new laws as far as Data Protection Act goes, and that is the reason they WhatsApp have started up with a new beta which will allow you to download your data from their servers, and once the data has been downloaded, you've downloaded your copy, WhatsApp will delete it from their servers after 30 days. Now this is still a beta, the feature is still in trial phase. Last news is about ASUS again. Yesterday I informed you guys that the Zenfone 5 is about to come. Now Antutu has confirmed that model number Z01R by ASUS has been tested on their benchmarking app, and it scored a whopping 238,000 on the Antutu benchmark. Now you have to remember that this particular phone is supposed to come with a 2K display, so if we were to benchmark it on a 1080p or maybe a full HD plus display, it would score higher. Nonetheless, it already outperforms the iPhone X when it comes to performance. So this is the phone that we spoke about yesterday, which has a notch like the iPhone X. Apart from the notch, it looks like a wonderful device. Share your thoughts in the comment section. Would you buy a flagship from ASUS if it were affordable and available in India with regular software updates? So that was the news for you guys. I hope you liked the content. If you liked it, like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more amazing news and do participate in the giveaway. All the information is there in the description. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.